Hello, I'm Carl Carlish from the Rehabilitation and Inspections team in the Fairfax County Wastewater Management Program. We'd like to show you how our trenchless pipe rehabilitation process works. The result is like a brand new sewer pipe, but at a fraction of the cost. During trenchless rehabilitation, a liner is cured to the inside of a pipe. This renews the integrity of the pipe and can extend its lifetime for an additional 50 years. Our asset management group identifies and prioritizes line segments in need of rehabilitation based on their conditions. We assess sewer pipe information to locate any breaks, cracks, roots, or sags and determine the best rehabilitation method to renew a sewer line. Once a rehab job is scheduled, our contractors clean and record a video of the pipe to show its current condition. The trenchless rehabilitation process allows pipe repairs with minimal disruptions to our residents. Pipe replacements require digging up streets or yards, but this method is faster and less expensive. Plus, we usually finish the work the same day we start. There are a lot of moving parts to this process, and our team of professionals collaborates and uses a streamlined system to complete each job. We work continuously toward our goal to rehabilitate over 30 miles of sewer pipe each year. The work of our rehabilitation and inspection team protects the environment by restoring the integrity of our sewer pipes. The result is reliable sewer service for our residents for years to come.